Hello, in this video, we will learn how to create a poll on Twitter. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Twitter application. Click on the compose icon. Select poll. Write a question or inquiry for the poll. When you're done, click on this icon. Now you can add options of your choice. You can add up to 4 options maximum. You can also specify the hours, minutes, and days when the poll will be visible. Twitter defaults to showing the poll for one day and gives us the option to edit it according to our preference. From here, we can specify who can reply to the post. Now, click on the post button. The post has been successfully published. Let's now go to our profile page to see how the post appears. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.